Hello students, good morning. How are you? Okay. You have more study about the French Revolution. Today I want you to revise few part of this chapter. Chapter 1, History, the French Revolution, and your topic is political causes of French Revolution. The French Revolution of 1789 was the most important event or happening of 18th century in world history, because on that day, means in 1789, the French Revolution started by the French people by demanding equality, fraternity, and liberty. These were the main demand of French people, because at that time the ruler of the France, Louis XVI, was started autocracy rule and believed in theory of divine right of the king. He was ascended the throne in 1774. In this way, we say that the French Revolution not only influenced the history of France and Europe, but that of the entire world in many ways. And it laid a platform for the democratic and progressive setup in modern Europe and as well as in whole world. Before the French Revolution, there was no meaning of democracy. But after the French Revolution, whole world understood the meaning of democracy and democratic government. The causes of political causes of French Revolution are as following. First, the political structure was highly unpopular. At the time of Louis XVI, the political structure, means ruling manner of that time, was defamed. People not like that rule and also ruling manner of the King Louis XVI, because at that time Louis XVI became a autocratic ruler, which means centralization of the state in actual monarchy. Due to this reason, the manner of the rule of the king Louis XVI was very poor, and he also represented himself. He represented himself as divine rights of the king. Divine rights of the king का मतलब होता है कि उसे दैवी अधिकार मिले हुए हैं, मीन्स द राइट्स ऑफ द किंग गिवन बाय द गॉड, एंड द किंग regarded himself as the representative of God on the earth. In this way, the autocratic rule was responsible for the French Revolution. Second, the representative institution destroyed or under king's control. In old regime, there was a State General, which was the French Parliament. It was suspended. There was at that time no value of State General, and other representative institutions. Representative institutions means the institutions where there the representative of people sit and take decision according the wish of the people, according the interest of people. But at the time of Louis XVI, the representative institutions destroyed or under king's control. लुई 16 के समय या तो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इंस्टीट्यूशन को नष्ट कर दिया गया था या वह किंग के कंट्रोल में आ गए थे. थर्ड पॉलिटिकल कॉज ऑफ फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन इज द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम वाज डिफेक्टिव एंड डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड. Means the administrative system of that time was not well organized or effective, but they were defective and disorganized. The high posts are the officials given to aristocrats or nobles, not regarding their quality, their education, their ability, but if they were aristocrat or noble, they were given main post of the country. In this way, the qualified people were unable to get main officials of the country. That is why due to the lack of education and ability, aristocrats and nobles take wrong decisions about the country as well as about the people. At that time, a student after study, John Dalton, came to such job, but he was belonged to a poor family. He was well qualified. John Dalton was well qualified, but he not belonged to aristocrat or noble's family, but he was belonged to a poor's family. That is why he had not given any prize post, any main post in the administration of the Louis XVI. Third, the masses did not enjoy individual freedom Masses means the people. The people of France at that time was hearing a lot of instructions of the king. They were not free. Their individual freedom was not. But they were lived their life as restricted life. Anybody could be imprisoned by the mere issue of warrant, known as lettre de cachet. Lettre de cachet was a kind of warrant from which a person can imprison after very few offense. बहुत छोटी छोटी गलतियों पर जो है लोगों को अरेस्ट कर लिया जाता था लेटर डी कैचेट के द्वारा. इट इज ए टाइप ऑफ वारंट. एनीबॉडी कुड बी इम्प्रिजन्ड बाय द मेयर इशू ऑफ लेटर डी कैचेट. छोटी छोटी बातों पर लोगों को कैद में डाल दिया जाता था. फिफ्थ, there was no uniform legal system in the country. At the time of before the French Revolution, there was no any uniform regulations in the country, but different area followed different type of rules. There were about 400 different legal systems functioning in the France. What was lawful at one place might be illegal at other place. 5 mile distance. 5 mile distance पर ही रूल्स रेगुलेशंस फ्रांस में उस समय बदल जाते थे. कोई यूनिफॉर्म रूल नहीं था, एक नियम कानून नहीं थे वहां सबके लिए, बल्कि 5-5 मील पर 5 माइल्स पर जो है रूल्स वहां के बदल जाते थे. 6. The king of France was inefficient, weak and lethargic. The king of that time was Louis XVI. He was inefficient, weak and lethargic. वह काम करने में सफल नहीं थे, इनएफिशिएंट थे, कमजोर थे, यहाँ तक कि वो काफी इनएक्टिव भी रहा करते थे. इनएक्टिव टेम्परामेंट के थे, मीन्स दे हैव नो एक्टिव माइंड बट देयर माइंड वाज टेम्परामेंट. एक राजा का जिस तरह से दिमाग तेज तर्राक होना चाहिए उस तरह से तेज तर्राक दिमाग उनका काम नहीं करता था. और वह डिसीजन, he was unable to take quick decisions. That is why people were not agree him, not happy from him. It is true that he had many private virtues, but he had no capacity to govern and take quick decisions in the hours of need. वास्तव में व्यक्तिगत रूप से बहुत अच्छे थे, बट एज ए गवर्निंग अथॉरिटी, एज ए किंग, ही वॉज नॉट फिट बिकॉज ही हैड नो कैपेसिटी टू गवर्न द कंट्री एंड वॉज अनेबल टू टेक क्विक डिसीजंस व्हेन देयर वॉज नीडेड. जब भी डिसीजन की जरूरत होती थी, क्विक डिसीजन नहीं ले सकते थे वो, और इस तरह से उनके अंदर एक राजा जिस तरह से राज्य करता था वह क्षमता उनके अंदर नहीं थी. द एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ द रॉयल कोर्ट हैड क्रॉस्ड ऑल लिमिट्स. एट द टाइम ऑफ लुइस 16, the royal family and the officials, all they lived as luxurious life, and time to time king increased the taxes of the common people. Due to this reason, the common people were tired from increasing the tax many times. Due to this reason, whole society of common people were angry over the rule of their king. The entire state revenue was lavishly spent on the luxuries enjoyed by the king, queen, and country's courtiers. Louis XVI, the king, lived with great pomp and show in a magnificent royal palace in Versailles. हिंदी में इसको वर्साई कहते हैं. A suburb of the capital city of Paris. He was under the influence of his fun-loving queen Marie Antoinette, an Austrian princess. King Louis XVI was married with an Austrian princess, Marie Antoinette. She was fun-loving queen. She always demanded entertainment and luxurious things, and also she interfered in the state affairs and administration. That is why the people of the France hated her and they opposed the rule of the France. 8th, number 8. There was no representative body at the time of Louis XVI. There was no any representative body. Representative body means an institution governed by the state where the decision makers sit to take decisions about the country, and they sent by the people as their representative. These representatives advise the king and also inform the interest of people and also take the decision according the interest of people and welfare of the people. But at that time there was no any representative body. The State General was political body. It was a French parliament established in the 13th century. The three states, clergy, noble, common people, sent their representative to it, but it was also suspended. It was established in 13th century and its last meeting was called in 1614, and its meeting called on the wish of monarch. स्टेट जनरल जो था वहां के पार्लियामेंट, फ्रेंच पार्लियामेंट, यह भी उस समय सस्पेंड कर दिया गया था. इसकी लास्ट मीटिंग 1614 में हुई थी. इन दिस वे देयर वाज नो एनी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव बॉडी इन द फ्रांस. दैट इज व्हाई द पीपल ऑफ France were unable to inform about their interest and their wish. In this way, all these political reasons, political causes led to the French Revolution, and people of France were started revolt against the present setup as the only way out. Means to way out the kingship of the France only the way of revolt. इस तरह से फ्रांस के लोगों ने राजा के खिलाफ अपना आंदोलन छेड़ा, क्योंकि उनको बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा था और वह राजतंत्र से लुईस 16 के राजतंत्र से वह परेशान हो चुके थे। उनकी हालत बिल्कुल बिगड़ गई थी और वह अपनी डिमांड के लिए इक्वलिटी, लिबर्टी, फ्रेटर्निटी, इन सबको आगे रख करके फ्रांस की रिवॉल्यूशन में भाग लिए। ओके, थैंक यू।